Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. You are about to be part of a match that may go crazy and may also turn into a wild experience. It's going to be only one round, and you can hear the audience screaming the names of their favorite wrestlers. Get ready to enjoy the WWE match between Red Hood Strong and Green Mask Muscle. The wrestlers seem sad and unwilling to start the match. Red Hood Strong kicks Green Mask Muscle on the head. Green Mask Muscle is lying on the floor unconsciously while Red Hood Strong grows popularity. Woo! And greet the audience. Green Mask Muscle. Red Hood Strong. Red Hood Strong. Green Mask Muscle remains unconscious while Red Hood Strong stays calm and friendly with the audience. Red Hood Strong returns to the wrestling ring and throws a heavy ball at his head. Also, he throws a suitcase at his stomach. This match is getting ugly. Red Hood Strong became super strong tonight. This match is going crazy. Green Mask Muscle is still unconscious. Red Hood Strong becomes the winner of this only one round match. You can hear Red Hood Strong fans screaming even in China. Red Hood Strong smells the fragrance of victory. Unfortunately, Green Mask Muscle tastes the flavor of defeat.